Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I'll be showing you guys how to set up your universal speaker stand. If you want to know how to do this, come with me, let us go.
F so beats, you dig.
Okay, I just finished the first set of arranging the basement for the speaker stand, and currently the speaker is on the carpet. And yeah, and I'll show you the finished process when I'm done. So this is it. Then I'm gonna place both of them like this. Yeah, we got our perfect stand. Now, this is what we got. I'm going to place the speaker on top of the stand so we could see how it looks finally. So, this is what it looks like. Yes, sir.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly leave a like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time and bye bye.
F so beats, you dig.